Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today I'm here to show you how to make a bookworm pencil holder, because guess what? It's just about time for school to start again, so we need something to hold our pencils. And this is the one that's all finished, and I'm going to show you what you'll get and how to put it together. You will get this, and it shows you, it's a set of pictures, and it shows you how to put your bookworm together. And you'll get a tube that's colored in green paper that looks like that. And then you will get two of these little bookworm arms. And you'll get two bookworm eyes. And then you will get a chenille. And this is what you make the glasses out of. Now for this project, I am using some tape, and you'll have to cut your, you probably won't have to cut many things out. You'll just have to maybe cut out your little arms and your eye. The most important thing on this one is how to make the glasses. So, if you want your bookworm to have really cool glasses, just take a piece of chenille and just take it and turn it around like this and around, and kind of get one end of it secured like that. Okay, just like that. And then just take it, take it and put it in the middle and give it a twist or two. Okay, one more little twist. Then just take this, your fingers, and make yourself a pair of glasses out of it. Okay, and this is how your glasses are probably going to end up looking, something like that. Okay. And that's how I made these glasses. And I wanted orange for this bookworm. And so then I'm going to take two little pieces, and on the side, I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of times, not very many, just to make it hold. All right, maybe better do one more. I'll take that through. There's that glass. Okay, there's one part. And then I'll take the other blue one, and I'll put it over here, and I'll just wrap it around just a couple times, just like that. And guess what? There's a pair of glasses. Okay? But before that, you need to put on the eyes. So I'm going to use a little bit of double-sided tape, and I'm going to put on two eyes. There's an eye, and it's going to go right, I think about right there. Okay? I'm guessing, but I think that's about right. And then I'm going to put on another eye, and it's going to go, let me put it right here. Now I better see if my glasses are going to fit. Let's put them on just like this. Okay, are they looking good? Not too good. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to take a piece of tape, and I'm going to tape that down. Then I'm going to take those glasses back around. What do you think, guys? I think so. I think it's working, and I'm taping that down. So here he is with his glasses. Oh, I better adjust him a little bit. And you can adjust him as you want him at home, too. So there he is with glasses, but he needs a book. So I took a little piece of paper, and then I took some white sheets, and I put them together. I folded them in half, and then I'm going to use a stapler and staple right in the middle, just like that. Fold it like that. Now, that book is going to fit here, but what's missing? Yep, the bookworm's hands. So I'm taking these, and I'm just putting a little double-sided tape, and I'm going to put this one, I think I'll put it there. And then I'm going to put the other one on the other side. Probably about right here. Now, what do you think goes in the middle? Yep, the book. And to do that, I'm going to use some more double-sided tape on both of his little hands. I'm going to put one there, and I'll put one here, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put the book like that, and like that. And now, oh, he's crooked. We got to fix him. Is that better? Oh, buddy, you lost your glasses. There you go. I think that's better. And there's your little bookworm, okay? And you'll get this little piece of cardboard to put on the bottom so you can put your pencils in there. And he really works. So have fun making this. Use your colorful glasses. Use your imagination a little bit and make your very own little bookworm pencil holder. And that's for you to get started in school. Thank you, guys. Come and see us. We're open. Miss ya. Bye.